Hello guys and welcome to the video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Timex Marlin Chronograph watch. As you can see, the watch comes in this very beautiful Timex signed cardboard box, and here we have the version with the green dial and the brown leather strap. You can opt for different dial colors, so you have a few variants out there, and also you have the options to go with the metallic bracelet, so that is going to be a little bit more expensive, but that is also going to look a little bit more luxurious. Here we have the booklet and the tag that we can find inside the box. As you can see right here, the Timex tag with the model, and also you have the booklet with all the useful information that you need to know. After looking on Amazon at all the models, I decided to go with this one on the brown leather strap and the green dial because I find it very elegant, very luxurious, and you are going to get a bunch of compliments for this watch. As you can see, it has a case size of 40 millimeters, which is really great for medium and large wrists. You have this gorgeous green dial with the date complication between 4 and 5 o'clock. The seconds hand is right here, so the subdial at 6 o'clock is for the seconds hand. We have also a 24-hour display right here, so we have military time. And when you press the top pusher, you are going to activate the chronograph. You can see that it has this very beautiful sweeping seconds hand of the chronograph. You could say that this is an automatic watch, so that is something really cool. You can pause it and reset it, and it perfectly jumps back to 12 o'clock. So very nice thing. You have this very high quality leather strap on these watches made by Timex, so these are really high quality straps. I really like them. You have the quick release on these straps, on the leather straps. You can also opt for the metallic ones. We have a signed buckle, and then we also have a very beautiful screw down back. As you can see, Timex estimated 1854, design engineered by Timex, and here we have the world, and also we have the model number, and also the Timex Marlin collection, and the fact that this has a 20 millimeter lug width. So overall, a beautiful and elegant chronograph watch, very luxurious, that you can pick up on Amazon, and I'm pretty sure you are going to love it, guys, so make sure to consider it. So guys, that was the video that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos. As you can see, I have a bunch of other watches that I need to unbox on this YouTube channel, so I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy this. And also, if you like vintage watches, guys, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. We have thousands of vintage watches for sale, guys. Once again, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.